Students, a very good morning to all. And last time we have discussed till question number 4 of exercise 1.5. Okay, now this whole exercise is based on round off. Okay, we have to round off to nearest tens, nearest hundred, or nearest thousand place. Okay, in this question, in the fifth question, and in the sixth question, both are of the same type, but there is a little difference. We have to round off to the greatest place which is possible. Okay, to the greatest value, and we have to operate addition over here, and in this we have to operate multiplication. Okay, the maximum place they are having we have to round off. Okay, now let us see the first one, how to round off. Okay, here how many places are there? Ones, tens and 100. So we need to round off 100 place. Okay, for rounding off to 100 place, let us see one place less than that. That is tens place. If at tens place it is 5 or greater than 5, okay, then we will increase this 7 to 8 and rest all to 0. But here we can see that it is less than 5. Okay, so it will be transformed, both the places will be transformed to 0. So it will be 700. Okay, it will be 700. Okay, if it has been 750, then we have taken it as 800. Okay, this is the thing. Let us see again. Here ones, tens, 100. How many places there are? 100 places. Okay, so we have to take this, see this tens place. Okay, for rounding off, it is greater than 5. So this 9 will be increased with one value. Okay, and 9 plus 1, that is 10. Okay, and these tens place transform to 0, ones will be transformed to 0. So it is 1000. What it will be? The answer will be 700 plus 1000. It will be 1700. So how many places we are having? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, it is having 1000 place. So let's see the place which is just before it. This is 100 place. Now as we can see, at 100 place there is 2 which is less than 5. So all the places will be transformed to 0 and this will remain as 5. If this must have been greater than 5 or equal to 5, this 5 will be transformed to 6 and the rest places will be transformed to 0. So we will take it as 5000. Okay. Again, let us see here maximum places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we will round off to 10,000 place. Let us see one place less than that, that is thousands. It is 7. 7 is greater than 5. So all the places will be 0 and the 1 will be increased to 1 place. That is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now all the rest places are 0. So it is 20,000 plus 5,000. What it will be adding them? We will get 25,000. Here in the both the questions, we have to take the greatest value, greatest place. Okay. Now again here, ones, tens, 100, both are having 100 place. Let us see the tens place value. It is 7, greater than 5. So it will be 0, 0, and it is greater than 5. So 5 will be increased to 1 place. That is 600. Okay. Again, here also it is having 100 place. So just see the tens place greater than 5. So it will be increased to 2 and rest places will be 0. Okay. Now multiplying them, it's very easy. 2 into 6, it is 12. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What it is? It is 1,20,000. Now let us see the another one. How many maximum places? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have to see the 100 place. It is greater than 5. So all the places will be 0 and this 9 is increased to 1 place. That is 10 increased by 1 and the rest are 0. This is 10,000. Again, how many places are there? Tens. Ones, tens. So just see the ones place. Okay, it is 7 greater than 5. So it will be transformed to 0 and this is increased by 1, that is 30. Okay, now how to multiply it? This is 3, this is 1. 3 into 1, that is 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this is 3 lakh. So we have done up with this. Let us see the next questions. Now let us see this question number 7th and 8th. Okay, here also we have to multiply. In this question we have to divide. What we need to see, here we need to round off to the nearest 100 place and then multiply, and here we have to round off to nearest tens place and we have to divide. Let us see how we will proceed. Okay, now we have to round off to 100 place, ones, tens, 100. Okay, so we have to take one place less than that, that is tens place. It is greater than 5, so we need to replace this 8 and 1 by 0, and we have to increase 2 to one place more, that is 3. So it will be 5300. Okay. Now again here ones, tens, 100. We have to round off 100 place, so we have to take one place less than that, that is tens place. It is greater than 5. So just replace 9 and 1 by 00, and 4 we have to increase by one place because it is greater than 9 is greater than 5. Okay, or if it is also equal to 5 also, then also we have to increase. Okay, now so it will be 500. Okay, now here it is 5300 into 3500. Okay, now just multiply them. Okay, here I am multiplying it. It is 35 into 53. 1855. I have multiplied 35 with 53. It is 1855. Now how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is, we will read it as 1,85,50,000. Okay, now let us see. Okay, we have to take 100 place. This is 3, it is 100 place. Now look, the digit at tens place, it is 8, greater than 5. So we will increase 3 by 4 and rest is the zeros. Okay, now again we have to round off the 100 place, that is 8. So let us see the tens place digit. It is 8 greater than 5. So it will be increased 8 by increased by 9 and 2 zeros are there. Okay, now what it will be? There is 1400, 1400 into 900. Okay, so 14 into 9, it is 126. Okay, 126. Now again how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us place 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now placing the commas, it is 12,60,000. Okay, now let us see this round offing to nearest tens place. Now here it is 423. Okay, now we have to take round off to tens place. This is tens place. Let us see the ones digit. It is 3 less than 5. So it will be the value of 2 will not be increased and the 3 will be replaced by 0. Again dividing by, let us see the tens. It is 2. Okay, we have to take one place less, that is ones place. It is greater than 5. So it will be replaced by 0 and this 2 will be increased by one place, that is 3 and 0, 30. Okay, now it is 420 divided by 30. Okay, so what it will be dividing it, we can see that it will be 14. Okay, now again let us see here. We have to round off first. Tens place, it is 7. We have to take the ones place, it is 7 greater than 5. So it will be replaced by 0 and this 7 will be increased by one place, that is 8. Again here it is tens place is 2. We have to see the ones place, it is greater than 5. It will be replaced by 0 and 2 will be increased by one place, that is 30. Now let us see how to do 780 divided by 30. So this was all for today. What is your homework? Let us see.